Today I'm gonna show you a changing card. That's not the usual changing card like auto tricks, but it's something special. So just watch the whole video and be surprised. Don't forget to rate and comment. Okay, I want you to say stop sign. Here. Okay. And I want you to memorize this card. Okay. I put it on the top and I mix again. Mix. There. That's not on the top, okay. Now I will try to guess which card did you pick, so I will I guess this one. This one? No? Well, I'll try to fix that with a lighter. Oops. Cool. That was your card. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I bought this trick, and it was just €5, so it's nothing special, but it's kind of cool trick. See, that's the card. Thanks for watching.